Hi, it's Youcook here. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who just found my channel today, welcome on board. One of the main ingredients that I will be using today is coconut milk. Looks fun, right? So if you want to know how I prepare this dish, stay with me and I'll show you how. Of course, if you want to make this recipe, you're going to need to have this special pan, and I will put the link under the description below. First, I'm going to prepare my fish sauce. Make a cross cut at the bottom of the lemon. This is how I can squeeze out all the juice I want without making a mess. Chop one chili and add it into the jar. If you want more spicy, you can add another chili. Add in 5 tablespoons of sugar. Add in 1/2 cup of fish sauce. Grate in about 2 cloves of garlic and add it into the jar as well. Give it a good mix. And the final step is to add in 1.5 cup of hot water. You can use cold water as well, but I prefer using hot water as it will bring out the flavor of my garlic and it will dissolve my sugar much faster. My fish sauce is done. Set it aside. You can use it for future as well. I'm using 1 pound of ground pork. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add in 2 eggs. Grate in half of a carrot. Chop 1 stem of green onion or scallion and add it into the mixture. Now mix all the ingredients together. Adding 4 tiger shrimp into the mixture as well. Last ingredient add to the meat marinade is black fungus. I'm using 1 cup and I'm going to go ahead and rehydrate it with water. Once the black fungus is nice and soft, I'm going to go ahead and grind them up into smaller pieces and add them back into my meat marinade. I'm using this particular brand, Little Circle fried shrimp flour, for my recipe. You can also buy it on Amazon.com. I will leave the link under the description for your convenience. Add 4 cups of water and 1 cup of coconut milk into the mixed flour. All the liquid we just added in must be cold. Warm or hot water will cause the flour to clump together. Add in chopped green onion, about half a cup. This pre-mixed flour didn't come in with turmeric powder, so you will need about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder. If you have it at home, add it in. Here I'm showing you the Bangkok without the turmeric powder, so you have an idea how it looks without turmeric powder. I find that it's best to pour the batter into a measuring cup and pour into the slot. From there it's much easier, it's cleaner. You will spill a little bit, but not as bad as using a bigger spoon. Then add in the meat and close the lid and let it cook. Add in a little bit of oil will produce a more crispy pancakes. Here I'm showing you another version of the Bangkok after I used turmeric powder. The color looks so much nicer, and I'm also using tiger prawns only. Then I topped it with dry shrimp and finished off with scallion, and the Bangkok is done. The original recipe has mung bean as well. However, I'm doing my own version of Bangkok, so there won't be mung bean in my recipe. Each batch can make 12 pancakes, and that's enough for 1 person. When you purchase this kitchen tool, it comes with a wooden stick. It helps you to remove the crispy pancake easily. To enjoy the crispiness of this pancake, it must be served right away. I just want to show you that when the pancake is ready, the bottom looks like this. So that's it for this Vietnamese crispy pancake. It's actually really fun preparing this dish. I had a great time. This rice crispy pancakes is completed. Hope you enjoy watching my video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until then, take care. Bye now.